Hi, this is Roz, and welcome to my blog. I am very excited that you've decided to stop by, and I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and to let you know what you're going to find here and explain, first of all, why this blog is even here. If you are at all like I was at one time, and you are looking for a way to really figure out how all this internet marketing stuff works, well, you've come to the right place. And I'll tell you, I have spent a lot of money trying to learn and figure out. I spent thousands and thousands of dollars. I've been to seminar after seminar. I've been to meetings. I've been to presentations. I've listened to webinars. I've done so much to try to figure out how is it that people are actually making money on the internet. And so I basically, what I've done here is taken all of my hours and hours and hours and weeks and even years of learning and tried to compile the most important things that I think I would have needed to know when I first got started. And I'll tell you why I did that way, because you're going to find as you go on your search to find different things about learning internet marketing and all that, that there is so much information out there that you can literally go on information overload. And it gets to a point now that there's so much that you get stuck because you don't even know where to begin. I mean, at least that's the way it happened for me. I got so much information that I continued to be in learning mode, and I just didn't even know where to start. So what I wanted to do was to give a place for the newbies to go, a place for somebody who's not really extremely internet savvy, who doesn't understand all of the jargon, who doesn't understand all of the techie stuff, who's not a geek. I'm not a geek, and I've never been a geek, and I really kind of wish I was, but that wasn't my background. My background was corporate America, management and all that kind of thing. And I had other people that were working with me that were the geeks, and they knew how to do all of these things, right? So when I retired, I decided that, I wanted to take my business and work it from my spare bedroom and turn that bedroom into an office. And that's what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. And so I decided to really dig in. And what I want you guys to know is that even though sometimes it might seem a little frustrating because you keep trying something and you try it and somebody else comes up with something else and you try it and it just never seems to pan out the way they say it works. I've been through that, so I know exactly where you are. And that's why I have my blog set up exactly the way that it is, so that even if you don't get it yet, I can break it down for you so that you will get it. And you'll understand that it's really not as difficult as it sometimes seems. Is it a lot of work? Absolutely. Do we outsource most of our work, those of us that make a lot of money? Sure, we do a lot of that. But there are so many things that I can teach you that you can do on your own and for yourself that will allow you to really decide what kind of an income you'd like to make and then do the steps that will get you there. Okay. So one of the things I do want you to do is to opt into my newsletter, because I am continuously, I love learning. I still train, even though I understand a lot of it now. I still like to learn. And when I get information, I like to spread the word. I like to share that information with people. I'm not going to be somebody who's always going to be sending you something saying, buy this new program for me, things like that. If I come across things that cost and I think might add value or have some value to it, sure, I'll tell you about it. But for the most part, I want to give you a platform that you can go to where you will be able to continuously learn as I'm learning and grow as I'm growing. And we can kind of all do this thing together. If you go look at the navigation bar across the top, you'll also see that there's a place where you can go to for training. That's an actual room where you'll be able to watch videos of me doing some training on some of the things that I have taught in some of my classes and things like that. So I think that's going to be a really good place for you to go. So with all that said, I just wanted to say thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you're here. And by the way, if you have team members or if you're building an organization or you know anybody that wants to learn how to do the simple stuff, the easy things that most average people can do, then by all means, share this site with them and let them know that they're more than welcome to get anything from the site that they can get. And I ask you also, if you do come across something that you find that's helpful, please comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear some things that you'd like to see on the site. I'd love to interact with you. So by all means, comment, visit my YouTube site. I'll have a lot of things up there. Just, let's have some fun with this. And I'm glad you're here again. And keep coming back, because this is going to be a site that's going to forever be evolving. As things change, this site is going to change. Okay. So with that being said, Thank you for stopping by. Have an awesome day. Have fun on the site and come back often, visit, and hopefully somewhere on the internet we'll have a chance to chat soon. Okay. With that, take care. God bless. And I'll see you on the inside, hopefully in the training room. Okay. Bye for now.